skylight comes just like this. It comes in this box here, just in this big box, and it's got a little bit of directions on the back, tells you a little bit about the product, things like that. Underneath here you see this little tab. I do not have my knife, so we're just going to use this. We're going to chop through that piece of plastic. Once we get through that, we can pull open this tab. And inside of here we got some reading material, a user's guide, and it says, for best results, remove the protective film from the aperture. So we will do that. It does come with this cord, which is cool. This is just a USB-C, which I like. I'm glad it's not micro USB in this case. So USB-C, and it's already plugged into the brick. So that's cool. And then we just have the skylight here. Don't believe there's anything else in the box. Nope, so we're gonna get rid of that. And it comes in this plastic. So you have to kind of get open this plastic here. Oop, jeez, oh man, almost lost it. And tear that open, and this is the protective film right here that they want you to peel off. So we're going to peel this thing back, and that's off there. Then you can see like this magnifying lens right here. And this is the laser. This is the aperture inside of here. Then we got some buttons on the top. This looks like it's adjust for brightness. This is a play pause button and a cycle button. And then we got a power button here. Just some warnings about laser radiation. Do not stare into the beam, obviously. And then this is our DC 5-volt input right here. And that's where we're going to be able to plug in. So that plugs in just fine right like that. And on top it just says BlissLights, skylight, etc. There is a little stand. You can see the stand right here, so you can stand it up like this to project it up at the ceiling. Kind of aim it in whatever direction you want to for the lasers. And then it's got the magnifying glass underneath. So we're going to turn this on and give you guys a look. So if you guys can check it out, you can see how cool it looks up on the ceiling right there. And that's just the single mode where it shines the lights up on the ceiling. It looks really, really cool. It's got a super cool display with those lasers, and then the magnifying glass portion of it is just for the blue light effect. So you can see the blue light effect here, and then you can actually see the lasers on the side here. If we click the adjustment, you can make it brighter. So that's making it brighter. That's a little bit dimmer, and brightness there. There's just the dots, just the green dots there coming from the laser. That's just the Nebula cloud, which that is super cool too, just in itself. See how cool that Nebula cloud looks inside of there. Kind of like I could shine it down on the wall, move it around, make it a super cool effect. That's just shutting it off. We go back to the stars, which are the green stars. That's coming from the lasers. And then back to just the nebula look, and that's just the star look. Which those look pretty cool too. I think just if you had the nebula cloud, it would look very cool on itself. So that's a really neat look. And then back to total dark. And then back to the nebula with the stars. So that's very cool. Okay guys, so you got to see how cool that looked on the ceiling there. It's just a really cool little visual effect, right? I mean, it gives you something different, something cool to look at. Good for a theater room, good for like a mood lighting for a bedroom, good for like a spa room. For sure would be good for a spa room. So the skylight instantly projects a field of drifting green stars against the transforming blue nebula cloud. You guys saw that. The skylight incorporates a direct diode laser, precision glass, optics, and holographic technologies to create an otherworldly visual experience. With the soothing aura effects to create a relaxing environment in any room, the skylight is a standout gift for adults and kids alike. You can enjoy dining under the stars, creating a relaxing spa environment, or accenting your home theater in seconds. The skylight is an instant game changer for any room in the house. Simple button controls make it easy to cycle through the light effects, adjust brightness, or start and stop the rotating motion. This version has blue LED, nebula, and green rotating stars. The Bliss skylights get a 4.6 out of 5-star rating. It has 45,535 ratings on Amazon. And you guys can get yours down below if you check out the link. It's the #1 bestseller in nightlights. Right now you can save 33%, which is the lowest price in 30 days. The list price is normally $59.99, but today you can get it for $39.99 with the Cyber Monday deal going on right now, which is a pretty cool deal. And it has free returns. So that was the Nebula skylight, guys, and if you liked it, if you like this video, you like this review, you like this unboxing, make sure you hit the like button, right? That helps YouTube's algorithms to get our channel out there to other people that like this kind of stuff as well. Also, check out jmedia1.com. We got some Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals of our own going on right now, so definitely be sure to give that a look. There's some cool tech items that you can shop for that you probably won't see anywhere else. We also have a blog on there and some other cool things. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you guys like this video, or if you have any ideas for other cool videos that we can create for you. We got some brand new tech stuff coming out, so be sure to hit the bell button so you can stay tuned when those videos release. And we will see you guys in the next one. Subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Later, guys.